Hello, food lovers, you are welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing a delightful and intriguing topic on how to easily and simply make toad in the hole recipe at home, in the comfort of your kitchen. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Making toad in the hole at home is a comforting and hearty dish that originated in the United Kingdom. It consists of sausages cooked in Yorkshire pudding batter until golden and crispy. Toad in the hole is a beloved classic that is perfect for a cozy family dinner or a comforting weekend meal. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through every step of the process, from selecting the best sausages to mastering the perfect Yorkshire pudding batter. By following these detailed instructions and tips, you'll be well equipped to make delicious toad in the hole that will warm your heart and satisfy your appetite. List of contents to be shared. 1. Introduction to toad in the hole. 2. Essential ingredients for making toad in the hole. 3. Selecting the best sausages. 4. Making Yorkshire pudding batter. 5. Preparing the baking dish. 6. Cooking toad in the hole. 7. Serving and presentation. 8. Accompaniments and sauces. 9. Storing and reheating toad in the hole. 10. Troubleshooting common issues. 11. Toad in the hole variations. 12. Toad in the hole recipes. 13. Conclusion and final thoughts. Introduction to toad in the hole. Toad in the hole is a traditional British dish that dates back to the 18th century. It consists of sausages cooked in a batter made from eggs, flour, and milk. The name, toad in the hole, is believed to have originated as a whimsical term for the sausages peeking out of the golden batter, resembling toads poking their heads out of holes. Today, toad in the hole is a beloved comfort food enjoyed by people of all ages for its hearty flavor and satisfying texture. Essential ingredients for making toad in the hole. To make toad in the hole at home, you'll need the following essential ingredients. 1. Sausages. Choose high-quality pork sausages for authentic flavor and texture. 1. You can also use beef, chicken, or vegetarian sausages depending on your dietary preferences. 2. Flour. All-purpose flour is traditionally used to make Yorkshire pudding batter. 2. It provides structure and texture to the batter. 3. Eggs. Eggs act as a binding agent and help to leaven the batter, giving it a light and airy texture. 4. Milk. Milk adds moisture and richness to the batter. 4. You can use whole milk, buttermilk, or a dairy-free alternative such as almond milk or oat milk. 5. Salt and pepper. Season the batter with salt and pepper to enhance the flavor of the dish. 6. Oil or drippings. Grease the baking dish with oil or reserved drippings from cooking the sausages to prevent sticking and add flavor. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Selecting the best sausages. Choosing the right sausages is essential for making delicious toad in the hole. Here are some tips for selecting the best sausages. 1. Quality. Use high-quality sausages with a good balance of meat, fat, and seasoning. 1. Look for sausages from reputable butcher shops or specialty grocery stores. 2. Flavor. Choose sausages with bold flavors that will complement the Yorkshire pudding batter. 2. Classic pork sausages are traditional, but you can also experiment with different flavors such as herb and garlic, Cumberland, or spicy chorizo. 3. Size. Select sausages that are roughly the same size and length for even cooking. 3. Avoid sausages that are too thick or too thin, as they may not cook evenly. Making Yorkshire pudding batter. Yorkshire pudding batter is the key component of toad in the hole, giving the dish its signature light and airy texture. Here's how to make Yorkshire pudding batter. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2. 1 cup milk. 3. 2 large eggs. 4. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 5. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Instructions. 1. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, salt, and pepper until well combined. 2. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs until frothy. 2. Gradually add the milk to the beaten eggs, whisking continuously. 3. Slowly pour the egg and milk mixture into the flour mixture, whisking constantly to prevent lumps from forming. 3. Continue whisking until the batter is smooth and free of any lumps. 4. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the batter rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or up to 2 hours. 4. This allows the flour to fully hydrate and the batter to thicken slightly. Preparing the baking dish. Preparing the baking dish properly ensures that the toad in the hole cooks evenly and develops a crisp and golden crust. Here's how to prepare the baking dish. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, and place a large baking dish or roasting pan in the oven to heat up. 2. Grease the baking dish. Once the oven and baking dish are preheated, carefully remove the hot baking dish from the oven using oven mitts or kitchen towels. 2. Add a generous amount of oil or reserved drippings from cooking the sausages to the bottom of the baking dish, tilting the dish to coat the bottom evenly. 3. Arrange the sausages. Place the sausages in the greased baking dish, spacing them evenly apart. 3. Make sure the sausages are nestled into the oil or drippings to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Cooking toad in the hole. Cooking toad in the hole is a straightforward process that involves baking the sausages in Yorkshire pudding batter until puffed and golden. Here's how to cook toad in the hole. 1. Pour the batter. Carefully pour the prepared Yorkshire pudding batter over the sausages in the greased baking dish, making sure to cover them evenly. 2. Bake. Transfer the baking dish to the preheated oven and bake for 25–30 minutes, or until the Yorkshire pudding is puffed and golden brown. 3. Avoid opening the oven door. Resist the temptation to open the oven door while the toad in the hole is baking, as this can cause the pudding to collapse. 3. Instead, use the oven light to monitor the cooking progress. Serving and presentation. Toad in the hole is best served hot out of the oven, accompanied by your favorite sides and sauces. Here's how to serve and present toad in the hole. 1. Cut into portions. Once the toad in the hole is baked to perfection, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes to set slightly. 1. Use a sharp knife to cut the toad in the hole into individual portions. 2. Serve immediately. Transfer the portions of toad in the hole to serving plates and serve immediately while still hot and crispy. 3. Garnish and serve with accompaniments. Garnish the toad in the hole with fresh herbs such as parsley or thyme for a pop of color and flavor. 3. Serve with accompaniments such as mashed potatoes, green peas, gravy, or onion gravy for a complete meal. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Accompaniments and sauces. Toad in the hole pairs well with a variety of accompaniments and sauces that complement its rich and savory flavors. Here are some ideas for accompaniments and sauces to serve with toad in the hole. 1. Mashed potatoes. Creamy mashed potatoes are a classic side dish that pairs perfectly with toad in the hole. 1. Serve the toad in the hole on a bed of mashed potatoes for extra comfort and flavor. 2. Green peas. Sweet and tender green peas add a pop of color and freshness to the plate. 2. Serve them steamed or boiled alongside the toad in the hole. 3. Gravy. Rich and savory gravy adds moisture and flavor to toad in the hole. 3. Choose your favorite type of gravy, such as onion gravy, mushroom gravy, or traditional meat gravy, and ladle it over the toad in the hole before serving. 4. Onion gravy. Sweet and savory onion gravy is a classic accompaniment for toad in the hole. 4. Sauté thinly sliced onions until caramelized, then deglaze the pan with beef broth and simmer until thickened. 4. Season with salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce to taste. Storing and reheating toad in the hole. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2–3 days. To reheat toad in the hole, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and transfer the leftovers to an oven-safe dish. Cover the dish with aluminum foil to prevent the toad in the hole from drying out, then bake for 15–20 minutes, or until heated through. Alternatively, you can reheat individual portions of toad in the hole in the microwave on medium power for 1–2 minutes, or until heated through. Troubleshooting common issues. Even the most experienced cooks may encounter challenges when making toad in the hole. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. 1. Soggy bottom. If the bottom of the toad in the hole is soggy, it may be due to insufficient preheating of the baking dish or overcrowding of the sausages. 1. Make sure to preheat the baking dish properly and arrange the sausages evenly to allow for even cooking and browning. 2. Uneven rise. If the Yorkshire pudding batter does not rise evenly, it may be due to overmixing or inaccurate oven temperature. 2. Mix the batter gently until just combined, and make sure the oven is fully preheated to the correct temperature before baking. Toad in the hole variations. Toad in the hole is a versatile dish that can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Here are some variations to try. 1. Vegetarian toad in the hole. Substitute vegetarian sausages for traditional pork sausages to make a meat-free version of toad in the hole. 1. Look for high-quality vegetarian sausages made from tofu, vegetables, or grains for authentic flavor and texture. 2. Bangers and mashed toad in the hole. Serve the toad in the hole on a bed of creamy mashed potatoes for a comforting twist on the classic British dish bangers and mash. 2. Top with onion gravy for extra flavor. 3. Spicy toad in the hole. Add chopped chili peppers or a dash of hot sauce to the Yorkshire pudding batter for a spicy kick. 3. Serve with a side of tangy tomato chutney or salsa for added heat. 4. Cheese and herb toad in the hole. Fold grated cheese and chopped fresh herbs such as parsley, thyme, or rosemary into the Yorkshire pudding batter for a flavorful twist. 4. Sprinkle extra cheese on top before baking for a cheesy crust. Toad in the hole recipes. Here are some delicious toad in the hole recipes to try. 1. Classic toad in the hole with pork sausages and onion gravy. 2. Vegetarian toad in the hole with vegetarian sausages and mushroom gravy. 3. Spicy toad in the hole with chili peppers and tomato salsa. 4. Cheese and herb toad in the hole with cheddar cheese and fresh parsley. Conclusion and final thoughts. Making toad in the hole at home is a delightful culinary experience that brings comfort and warmth to any meal. Whether you prefer classic pork sausages with onion gravy or creative variations with vegetarian sausages and spicy flavors, toad in the hole is a versatile dish that is sure to please everyone. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide and experimenting with different ingredients and accompaniments, you'll be well equipped to make delicious toad in the hole that will become a family favorite and impressive to everyone. So gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready to enjoy the cozy goodness of homemade toad in the hole. Please give this recipe a try and let us know how it goes in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Happy cooking!